Hey friends, who's hungry? My boys are headed back to school, which means it's time to start planning quick and easy weeknight meals. Thankfully, these smothered hamburger steaks are a big hit. I started off by seasoning 6 hamburger patties on both sides with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Then I baked them in a 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes until they were cooked through. I'm using half-pound pre-made patties. Your cooking time may differ depending on the thickness of your steaks. While the hamburger steaks are cooking, melt 2 tablespoons of bacon grease in a large skillet. If you don't have any bacon grease, yes, you can use cooking oil. To the skillet, add 8 ounces of fresh sliced mushrooms and 1 thinly sliced medium onion. Season with salt and pepper and saute for 10 to 15 minutes until the onions are translucent and the mushrooms are tender. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour, then stir until the flour is incorporated. Next, add 1 cup of beef broth. Continue to simmer over medium heat until the gravy begins to thicken. Just before serving, spoon the mushroom gravy over the top of the hamburger steaks.